Hi guys, Flo here, the consolist. Yesterday I picked up this nice Loewe MIMO 20 television. It was completely for free. It was right around the corner where I live, so I picked it up. And it also came with 2 remote controls. So this one is working, but the other one isn't working. So this one with the less faded logo is working, this one isn't. So in today's video I want to fix this, because yeah, it's always good to have spares. And now, without any more waffle, let's get started. So I think I have to pry this thing open, because there are no obvious screws anywhere. So look at the state of this. Okay. So here that looks really bad. So what to do next? I think I will clean all this up with some IPA. I use 99.9%. Here are these carbon contacts. Yeah, you have to be really careful not to scrub too much away. Here are fuses to check. So there should be continuity between these. Here is. And this is good too. Here are LEDs. They should light up. Let's test these. You can see. So these are working, this is working, and this too. So I couldn't find any broken components, so I give this a good cleanup. This doesn't look too healthy either, so I have to test if there is a break in the line. So, and just to be sure, I wanted to see, because there is a lot of corrosion here, as you can see. I wanted to check the traces. Yeah, that's all corroded. And so I wanted to check, so the LEDs are working. But when I checked continuity I scratched this trace up from here to here. You see, there's nothing. I think there is a break here somewhere, and also here. So I think it's broken somewhere here. Yeah, you can see it here. And I don't know where it's here. Yeah, it's right here. So yeah, I have to fix this, and then we should be good. So now I put it back together as good as I can, because I broke off all these little tabs here. Yeah, so I don't mind that. The only thing I care about is that it's working. I clean the desk up a little bit, and then I will show you both remote controls working. Yeah, okay, see you in a bit. So yeah, I'm done with the repair. So this is the working one. This is the one I hope I fixed. I didn't try it yet. So let's first, I won't cut this part, so yeah, you can see. So this is the working one. Okay, on. It's on, and here you should see, if you, I think this is this. Yeah, these are these LEDs. That should work, and I hope I fixed those. So yeah, off. So this is the working one. I put this here, and here is the one I fixed. I hope I fixed it. So battery's in, and this goes like this. So let's see. Going on. Yes. So let's see if the LEDs are working. Yes, they are. Yay! So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, or if you don't, give a thumbs down, you know it. But if you liked the video, consider subscribing if you haven't already. Again guys, thank you very much for watching this video, and I see you in the next one. Bye!